Hello everybody. So today I will be presenting mobile cross-promotion with Everyplay and also a little bit about Unity ads. I'm Francis Duranceau, I work as a field engineer, so basically work in relationship with all of you customers and people who are making games out there. So the talk overview, basically making mobile game is hard, and we'll see how Unity can help you to make money out of your games. So we'll talk about the Everyplay, which is a video sharing solution, and the Unity ads. Unity was developed, and our game was to make sure that anyone could make games easily without being a huge studio with tons of engineers. Our goal is, it's well known, I think it's to democratize game development. But our question now with the mobile game, it's already hard to make mobile game, but it's even harder to make money with your game. So what could we do to help you out there? I think that the most important thing is to make sure that people can find your games and know about your games and be interested in getting your games. So that's why we acquired the Everyplay amplifier that is now with their product Everyplay that is now integrated in Unity. So you can share gameplay footage of your games online. And also obviously there is the solution of ads that we all know. I'll switch presentation. So, what is Everyplay? It's a video sharing solution. So basically, we are recording in real time when your players are playing your game. The goal and the benefits is that it enhances discoverability, because then you share replays of your game either on Everyplay but also on social network, on Twitter, on Facebook, on YouTube. Obviously, if people likes the replay, they are viewing all of the different videos because it's dedicated to video games. Well, there's a good chance that there's a viral the whole thing about like, oh, this is the best game ever, and now everyone starts and jumps on it. We have seen obviously increased installs from I would say highly quality users, but basically just gamers and gamers and gamers. So it's not targeted at necessarily anyone. And of course, with video sharing, we can improve also like your whole experience and the ecosystem around your game, because you can also share tutorials. You can also like do contests and having people do high scores and share their tricks on how to beat that boss, or you can put tutorials online. The integration in Unity is really seamless. You download one plugin, drag a couple with scripts, and then there's only a couple of lines that you have to add in your source code. So and it's really optimized. I think that for a minute length of video recording on mobile devices, it's only taking 8 megabytes of memory. It's super easy and transparent for your users. They just get the normal user experience, so they enjoy the game and they can share replay. You can also, on iOS, add the video recording you like just face cam, so you can also talk on top of your game, so you can explain what you're doing or just to record your reactions while you play. And obviously you can also edit the video after, so you can remove the audio, you can adjust everything, position the face cam on screen. You can, tons of settings for you. And then it's super simple, because when you are done recording a video, then you'll get a pop-up menu where you can just share on Facebook, Twitter, Google, share over email, put it on the Everyplay website, and that's about it. It's all made for you. So Everyplay currently has already 20 million gamer fans, so it's a huge user base to get to put your games on. You can also play with metadata and under different files and find clever way to trigger when to start recording with Everyplay, when to stop. So let's say that you are about to beat your high score, then maybe you should automatically start a video recording, and then until either you beat the level or you die. So at least you're sure that you won't miss that moment, and you can share it with everyone. Soon you'll be able also for your game to customize the look and feel of the Everyplay portal for your game. You'll be able to make sure that it really fits your needs, because currently, if I quickly have a look at the website, this is look how it looks, and then you can search for games and everything. And let's say that I look at the Skyline Skaters, for instance. The only thing you can do at the moment is have this big image that is obviously adapted to what you're doing at the moment, but that's about it. So it really looks pretty much the same. Now you'll be able to customize and do also more features, custom contests, cross-promote games for your portfolio. Also include, as I was saying, like the different how-to Let's Play my video or tutorials, and put contests for people to be more engaged in your game. So themed UI, as I'm saying. We already have over 800 games using Everyplay, including all of these. But the thing is, it works both for large publishers like Rovio Entertainment with Bad Piggies, or even small indie developers who have seen their like more apps download and App Store click through, because I guess people now have found a new way to find your games. Yeah. So let's see how easy it is. Let's open Unity to integrate. This is the ads demo. Let's go back to Everyplay. Open. So here I have an endless runner game, super simple. And what do I have to do to integrate Everyplay? Simply download the package that is free on the Asset Store currently, and it's going to be all integrated well with Unity 5, by the way. You download it, and then you get all those scripts and a couple of prefabs that are like super easy to use if you want to adjust quickly your face cam settings, or use the HUD camera, or just test everything, like starts and stop. So what I did is I simply add a game object here that I call trigger, and I have one script attached. If we look at the script, you'll see it's really, really easy. There's only one thing I have to do. Everyplay, start recording. That's it. If I go there's also Everyplay stop recording, Everyplay show the pop-up to share. There's a couple of calls, but that's it. I mean, only with 3 or 4 lines of code. You don't have to be a super awesome programmer to be able to use it, because it's all handled by Unity in the background. So that's about it. I mean, a couple of lines of code, and then you create the different condition to trigger the start of video recording and when it will stop and when it's time to show a pop-up to share or anything. If you want a good example of video replay, I mean, you can use a game out there, Hill Climb Racing. I think it's a well-known one. When you finish a level, you can share the video replay. It's using Everyplay, so that's one of the good examples. Or use Bad Piggies or inline skaters as examples of the integration of Everyplay. The other thing that we really want to help you with is with ads, because you are probably you want to make games. We want you to make games. We want you to make good games, but you probably are not interested in maintaining a server with ads or having a hard time integrate something that is not necessarily done for you to integrate in Unity. So we acquired Unity ads. The advantages or the benefits are that first, it's Unity owned, which means that we are really concerned that it works well with games. It will also, we are making sure that the API is always on par with the latest version of Unity. We are aware of all the problems of integrating ads in games, so we have full control to help you and do that and maintain all the backend servers for you. Integration is as easy as with Everyplay. You just download the ads package, and then there's only a couple of lines that you have to use to initialize the ads plugin and then just show ads. One of the, for sure, probably one of the best benefits of Unity ads is that it's exclusive to games. So it's not mixed with tons of things that are not relevant for your players. So at least you integrate games ads in your games, not like the new latest broom that you can get at Walmart or things like that. So by having more relevant ads, you are making more money out of your ads. And you can also deal with free cross-promotion and direct deals in beta. And you can also use either picture or ads video. Video ads. If I have a quick look at the dashboard, you can go on unity3d.com and then just log in, log in with your Unity account. And then, as I can see here, I just made a quick example. It looks like I'm not rich, $0 everywhere, but you get at least a quick overview of what the dashboard looks like. If I click on games, I see here that I created 2 different games, which is basically a demo for this. But if I click on one of them, I see I have all of the information on my demo, which is kind of interesting because it looks like I have offers to make money with my non-published game that is purely a demo. So you get all of the different information and reports about like your stats for your game and is it working well or not. So you can also try and change things in your game and see if the ads are really helping you make money. You have all of the different information about like your ad placement, so you can really see if you're making money with or if you're able to monetize your ads. And obviously you can create different types of campaign that will start at a certain point, finish at some other point. It's also per region if you want. It's only a couple of clicks to enable, disable something, so it's really easy. Not for a programmer to use or to manage, but literally for brand managers or for game designers or producers. We made it super simple for you to use, and even for creating your ads, it's super simple. As you can see here, I go into my ad creatives for the games I made, and then I say, okay, this is going to be my ad. This is my super awesome Unity ads demo. So obviously, I would recommend that you put a good picture there, but it's also the same. You can upload new assets for if you only want for videos and not only image ads. Yeah, let's see what it looks like now. Quickly to integrate with into Unity. super simple example, as I was saying, you download the Unity Ads package. It comes with tons of small scripts that are helpers and will make it simple for you to integrate everything or have examples on how to integrate ads. But basically, I just created a Unity Ads demo. I have a script. You put your game ID, zone ID, so it's really made so to be adaptable and for your game, but also to make sure that it's really you can really focus on certain targets. If I have a quick look at the Unity Ads demo, it's really simple. If we go into our Awake, we first validate if advertisement is supported. It's not on PC at the moment. It is supported on Android and iOS. But let's say that I'm on Android, then I go here. I have a couple of settings to play with. But first thing, advertisement.initialize your game ID, and if you're in test mode or not. And then when initialize is done, if people clicks on your ads, or if you just want to show your ad by default, there's only one other call to do, advertisement.show, and it will take care of everything. It's all handled for you in the background. You don't have to manage a server. You don't have to figure out we will stream video or like preload images or anything. You only have 2 calls to do, so more or less 3, 5, 10 lines of code, and it's all integrated in your game. And then your manager is super happy because he can manage all of your campaigns for actually being able to monetize your games. So that's about it for today. If you are still here, first, you can also go on the bit.ly URL and have a chance to win a Unity Pro license. If you have questions, you are curious, you want more details about Unity Ads, Everyplay, or Unity in general, you can get in touch with me, Francis Duranceau. I work as a field engineer. Or you can get in touch with our Director of Business Development for Everyplay, Kirsten Duval. And there's also Mickey Maher. I'm not sure of his title, so let's say that he's the big shot of ads. And it will be a pleasure for him to help you with Unity Ads if you have problems. And here we have our emails and different URLs. Thank you.